Finding the gradient and y-intercept from the equation. Okay, so this is a very important concept because in questions sometimes the equation of a straight line is not given in its exact form, and the question is to figure out its gradient and y-intercept. So I'm going to do some examples to help you understand how do we convert the equation into the straight line form, and then figure out the gradient and the y-intercept. So let's do some examples. All right, so the first equation, let's suppose I have the first equation has a form 3y minus 2x plus 4 is equals to 0, right? So this is a form of a this is a straight line. You can see the x and the y, their powers are 1, so it's a polynomial of degree 1. So it is a straight line. So we need to convert this straight line into the form y is equals to mx plus c in order to figure out its gradient and its y-intercept, right? So means y must be on the left and the other term should be on the right. Okay, so we have to keep the 3y on the left side and shift the rest of the terms to the right side. So minus 2x, when you shift on the right, becomes positive 2x, positive 4 becomes negative 4. Okay, now this x is here and then you have a constant, but the coefficient of y must be equals to 1. Here the coefficient of y is 3, so you have to divide every term by 3 on both sides. Okay, now you can see the 3 by 3 is just 1. Now here the coefficient of y is 1. This is 2 by 3x minus 4 by 3. Now this is in the form of a straight line, y equals to mx plus c. Now in this case your m is 2 by 3, the gradient, and the y-intercept is minus 4 by 3. So this is how you have to figure out the gradient, the y-intercept if you have if the straight line is not in the arranged form, right? So the main concept is to convert it into the arranged form. Okay, now let's do another example. If I have an equation x plus y is equals to 0. Again, this is a straight line as well. Okay, so we have to convert it into the form y equals to mx plus c. Y equals to mx plus c means keep the y on the left and the other terms on the right. So y is already on the left. Shift this x on the right side, becomes minus x, and there is nothing. So plus 0. Now this is in the form of y equals to mx plus c. Now in this case, what is your m and what is your c? So the gradient, the m value is minus 1, the coefficient of x, and the c, the y-intercept is 0. Okay. All right, let's do one more example. Okay, so if I have y plus 2x is equals to 5, this is the equation, and the question is to figure out its gradient and the y-intercept. So the first step is to convert it into the form y equals to mx plus c, right? So we have y is equals to shift the x term on the other, minus 2x plus 5 on the other side, right? Now this is in the form of y equals to mx plus c. Now we can easily figure out the m and the c value here. So m is the gradient, which is a coefficient of x minus 2. C is your y-intercept, which is positive 5. Right. So this is a very brief topic, but it's really important to understand how do we figure out the gradient and the y-intercept if you have given a straight line, and if the straight line is not in its exact form y equals to mx plus c form, right? So if you have the straight line is which is not in the arranged form, so how do we figure out its gradient and y-intercept? So the main key concept is to convert it into y equals to mx plus c form. Once you have the equation in y equals to mx plus c form, you can easily figure out the m value, the coefficient of x, and the c value, the y-intercept, right? I hope you understand this concept. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Take care.